Hi, this is Shelly from ORIEMAC. We have been engaged in sales of construction machinery for 13 years, and our products have been exported more than 130 countries. Today I will show you two large machines. They will be shipped to Paraguay. Let's go. Here we are in Shanghai warehouse. This is 5-ton wheel loader SEM 655D. SEM is a branch of CAT, sharing the same technology and the production line. But this price is cheaper than CAT, so it's very popular in our client. Then let me show you some details. The wheel loader is equipped with 3 cubic meter buckets, and according to your requirements, it also can be equipped with pallet fork, gripper, rock bucket, and edge. Whatever attachments you want, we could supply. Let me show you the driving room. The space is larger, it is super visible, and the seat is adjustable. The driving room is with air conditioner. Now what we see is the engine. The wheel loader is equipped with Weichai Engine, Type 3 emission standard, and the power is 162 kW. Weichai Engine is low fuel consumption and low maintenance cost. ORIEMAC is a professional and reliable company. We offer one-stop service. We can also supply spare parts. Within 1 week, you can get the spare parts. If you are interested in our company, please call me freely.